I'm from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my 11-watt LED bulbs from General Electric, GE. So these are the equivalent of a 60-watt incandescent, but they only use 11 watts. And it's an LED bulb. These are a 2700K bulb, which means that it's about the kind of light you would get from a traditional incandescent. It's kind of that warm, inviting light, not like a bluer kind of clinical light. This is something that works great here in my living room, and these are super easy to use in your existing lamps. This is an antique Stifel lamp, 2 bulbs going on in here, and obviously this was not designed with LEDs in mind, but because these fit into a standard fixture, they're about the same size as a traditional incandescent, it's super easy to just drop them in and replace them and cut down on your power consumption. GE, really good color rendering index, really good quality of the bulbs themselves, excellent life. You can get decades of use out of these bulbs, and each one is producing 800 lumens, so again about the brightness of a traditional 60-watt bulb, but with a much lower amount of heat that it's putting out and a much lower power consumption as well. So those are my GE 11-watt LED bulbs, and again that is a 60-watt equivalent. I like the 2700K. You can get them in a higher color value, color temperature value, if you want a bluer, kind of brighter light.